Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're kicking off our journey into Microsoft Access SQL with an introduction to SQL itself. We'll cover what SQL is and why it's so important in the world of databases. Let's get started. So, what exactly is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It's a programming language specifically designed for managing and manipulating relational databases. With SQL, you can perform operations like querying data, updating records, and even creating tables. It's the backbone of database interaction. Why is SQL important? Here are a few key reasons. 1. Data management. SQL allows you to easily access and manipulate large volumes of data efficiently. 2. Standardization. SQL is a standardized language, meaning skills in SQL can be applied across various database systems, like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and of course, Microsoft Access. 3. Powerful queries. SQL enables you to write complex queries to filter, aggregate, and analyze data, making it an essential tool for data-driven decision-making. Let's briefly touch on some common SQL operations you'll use frequently. Select, retrieve data from one or more tables. Insert, add new records to a table. Update, modify existing records. Delete, remove records from a table. Each of these commands allows you to interact with your data effectively and perform various tasks needed for data analysis and reporting. In Microsoft Access, you can write SQL directly in the Query Design view or the SQL view. This lets you harness the full power of SQL while also taking advantage of Access's user-friendly interface. You can create queries, forms, and reports all leveraging SQL to drive your data operations. And that wraps up our introduction to SQL and its importance. Understanding SQL is vital for anyone looking to work with databases, and it opens the door to a world of data management possibilities. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Access SQL tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.